Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. In the intricate world of microscopy, trinocular stereo microscopes stand out as indispensable tools, offering researchers, scientists, and hobbyists a three-dimensional view of their subjects with enhanced depth perception. These advanced instruments play a crucial role in fields such as biology, medicine, electronics, and materials science, allowing users to explore and analyze specimens with unprecedented clarity. As technology continues to advance, the market is flooded with a myriad of trinocular stereo microscopes, each boasting unique features and capabilities. To help you navigate this sea of options, we have curated a list of the top 5 best trinocular stereo microscopes. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an enthusiastic hobbyist, these microscopes are sure to elevate your observational experience and provide a glimpse into the microscopic world like never before. Join us as we explore the cutting-edge features, precision optics, and innovative designs that make these trinocular stereo microscopes stand out in the realm of scientific exploration. Number 5. HiCloud 7-45x Trinocular Stereo Microscope. The microscope boasts a robust construction with a body made of durable aluminum, ensuring longevity and stability. Its trinocular draw tube allows for comfortable and ergonomic use, making it an ideal choice for extended periods of work. The inclusion of smart features adds an extra layer of convenience to the HiCloud microscope. With its smart device capabilities, it integrates seamlessly with other digital devices, enhancing the overall user experience. The HiCloud 7-45x offers an impressive zoom magnification range of 7-45x. Providing users with flexibility and precision in their observations. The 360-degree rotatable head function further facilitates easy positioning for optimal viewing angles. Number 4. Kailiwei Trinocular Stereo Microscope. The microscope boasts a sturdy metal construction, ensuring durability and longevity. The compact size, measuring at 312,322 centimeters, makes it highly portable, and at just 2.8 kilograms, it's easy to carry around, making it a practical choice for professionals on the go. Equipped with a trinocular draw tube, the 7050T offers versatile magnification options, ranging from 7x to an impressive 200x. This adaptability allows users to tackle a wide array of tasks, from inspecting intricate circuitry to closely examining tiny components. The lens quality is excellent, providing high-definition visuals that are crucial for accurate and detailed work. The microscope is specifically designed for applications in mobile phone electronic repair and soldering motherboard CPU PCB repair. Its precision and clarity make it an invaluable tool for tasks that demand a keen eye and a steady hand. Number 3. RF4. RF7050 TV Trinocular Stereo Microscope. The microscope's metal construction exudes durability and sturdiness. It feels robust, ensuring that it can withstand the demands of regular use in a repair workshop. The trinocular draw tube is a thoughtful addition, allowing for seamless integration with a camera or other imaging devices, enhancing the versatility of the microscope. Equipped with a trinocular draw tube and a 7-50x amplification range, the RF7050 TV offers exceptional clarity and magnification for detailed inspections. The WF10X22mm eyepiece provides a comfortable viewing experience, allowing for extended use without eye strain. The stereo microscope design delivers a three-dimensional view of the subject, making it easier to assess and work on intricate components of mobile devices. One standout feature of this microscope is its high-definition capabilities. The 144 adjustable LED light source ensures optimal illumination, essential for highlighting fine details during repairs. Number 2. Eakins Trinocular Stereo Microscope. The microscope boasts a sturdy metal construction, indicating durability and stability during usage. The trinocular draw tube design allows for comfortable observation, and the 360-degree rotatable head feature adds flexibility to the viewing angle, ensuring convenience in various applications. The optical capabilities of the Eakins Trinocular Stereo Microscope are impressive. With a zoom magnification range of 7x to 90x, an additional 0.5x to 2.0x auxiliary objective lenses, users can achieve a magnification ratio suitable for a wide range of tasks, from detailed PCB inspections to more general observations. The WF10X eyepieces provide a large field of view, enhancing the overall viewing experience. One notable aspect of this microscope is its versatility. It is well suited for PCB soldering, phone repair, and general PCB inspections, making it an ideal tool for professionals in the electronics industry. The adjustable working height further enhances its adaptability to various tasks. Number 1. Kaisi RLM3TB1 Trinocular Stereo Microscope. The microscope's sturdy metal construction ensures longevity and stability during use. The combination of green and black accents not only gives it a sleek appearance, but also reflects its commitment to quality. The trinocular drawtube enhances versatility, allowing users to easily switch between eyepiece and camera observations. Equipped with cutting-edge optics, the RLM3TB1 delivers high-definition images with impressive clarity. The stereo microscope design provides a three-dimensional view, making it ideal for intricate tasks requiring depth perception. The magnification ratio of up to 500x ensures detailed examination of specimens, whether you're working on electronics, biology, or other precision-oriented fields. The inclusion of a trinocular drawtube expands the microscope's functionality, enabling simultaneous observation through both eyepieces and a camera. This feature is particularly beneficial for collaborative work, teaching environments, or documentation purposes. Users can easily capture images or videos of their specimens for further analysis or presentations. Thanks for watching this video.